I think the clinical outcomes that we're seeing right now is that patients who have relapsed refractory disease have a new treatment option in clinical trials right now, of course, as none of these kinase inhibitors is approved. But they have new treatment options that really induce dramatic responses in some people who failed prior standard of care therapy or are resistant to standard of care. So we're clearly seeing a new option for CLL patients. We're also seeing, from a clinical standpoint, that patients who we know will not do very well with standard of care therapy have actually very good responses, impressive responses to these kinase inhibitors. We have to keep in mind that so far the longest exposure time to a kinase inhibitor is in the range of 2 years. And CLL patients having a median survival of between 8 and 10 years, this is still a very short time span. Economically, it's hard to judge at this point what the market price will be of these agents, and I think that will in part determine the economic equation. One area where it might be possible to get some insights of what this could mean economically would be looking at the example of chronic myelogenous leukemia, where the advent of imatinib, Gleevec, and other kinase inhibitors have certainly made a huge clinical impact, and this would be a case study of what the economic impact